Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the relationship between testosterone and aggression in the chapter 5 readings. So let's jump right into it. So, first of all, what is testosterone? So, there was no definition, I believe, in the book about it. I might have read past it, I couldn't find it. So, I just looked online. So, testosterone is the primary sex hormone in males. It can also be found in females. I read that in the chapter. Uh, Females usually are more estrogen based, but females can also produce sorts of testosterone as well. Uh, Testosterone plays a key role in the development of the male reproductive tissues, so it's very critical in reproduction and obviously having kids. It helps increase muscle mass, bone mass, and even body hair. So how does aggression impact testosterone? So this was a big key question in the chapter 5 readings, and I thought it was really interesting. So most aggressive behavior, according to the book, is linked to a combination of high testosterone and low cortisol in men. Um, so there was an example. They did a study on criminals, and they tested their testosterone levels, and they saw that criminals that had high testosterone levels were the most ruthless and committed the most heinous crimes like murder, um, uh, sex crimes, and then crimes like burglary or just smaller crimes. Their testosterone levels were way lower than the violent crime criminals. So then here's an important question: how does testosterone impact women? So married men have the lowest level of homicide rates. Divorced and widow men have been shown to have similar homicide rates to single men, and women are at a greater risk than men of getting murdered after a breakup. And a lot of that is due to testosterone and all the violence, and you know it's a real serious issue, and it definitely has a correlation between each other. So that was just a brief summary of what I read in the chapter. Here's my works cited, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you, guys.